A small investment for you, a giant leap for your business. Implement a cloud SaaS PLM system that can be deployed quickly and cost-effectively for a quick return on investment, while offering the full range of PLM solutions your company needs to shoot for the moon. Digitally boost product quality and speed to market with Siemens PLM for machine builders. With thousands of changes during the product lifecycle, an integrated project execution capability is essential. Carefully capture, manage and agree all project requirements in line with client demands to make sure that product requirements and project goals are met. Adopt a robust configuration management approach that delivers powerful structure cloning and a flexible product configuration capability, allowing the optimum blend of configure to order and engineer to order. Harness complexity into a key competitive advantage, producing superior machines faster by taking advantage of a templated solution that captures years of Siemens experience in software configuration. Quickly implement your digital future. Provide an integrated approach to project delivery to meet customer demands quickly and easily with Siemens PLM for machine builders. A small investment for you, a giant leap for your business. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.